मैं लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल सतवीर यादव.
I am Urmil. I am married to Lieutenant General Satyaveer Yadav.
I belong to a Fauji family and I am third generation in Indian Army Kumaon Regiment. That time in East Pakistan, Pakistani Army had launched a massive Operation Searchlight, with a view to suppress, subjugate the local Bengali population. Under those conditions of torture, the then East Pakistanis rebelled, and a good number of approximately 2 lakh plus people migrated to India, which was an unbearable load on the country. Therefore, at the highest level, a decision was taken that we may have to go in for a war.
Being married to an army man, it was like, wearing a badge of honor. Patriotism becomes a part of your heart and soul, actually. It comes from within.
While at Counter-Insurgency Jungle Warfare School, during this period, I was told my marriage has been fixed for 4th of July, 71. I came home, got married on 4th of July. On 22nd of July, I get a telegram that my leave was cancelled and I have to get back immediately to report at Barakpur. Considering the tense war clouds and military environment that was operating, it was expected that sooner or later India will have to go to war. Therefore, within 20 days of my marriage, I had to leave my young wife at home.
We got married on 4th of July 1971, and after 20 days he was recalled back from his leave. So obviously that time no one knew that the war is going to start. Of course, as a military man, he's supposed to even keep secrets from his family.
I joined Barakpur, where I was told that I'll be part of an organization which will be training Mukti Bahini. Simultaneously, we undertook, planned and conducted operation against the Pakistani army in their deft areas.
And of course, then in December, the war started. He will never mention the place that he is in. He never mentioned what he is doing there. And letters also were censored at that time.
हमारा मिशन जो था वो अर्स्टवाइल ईस्ट पाकिस्तान के स्टूडेंट्स जो यहाँ पर इन्फिल्ट्रेट होके आए थे, उनको मुक्ति बाहिनी रेज करना, मुक्ति बाहिनी के लिए ट्रेन करना. उसके लिए हमारे जनरल मानेकशॉ की स्ट्रेटेजी ये थी कि हम पाकिस्तानी लाइंस के पीछे हम ऐसे ऑपरेशन करें कि पाकिस्तानी आर्मी उसका ध्यान बजाय सामने के थोड़ा पीछे की तरफ डाइवर्ट हो जाए, उसके रिसोर्सेज की बर्बादी हो जाए. तो बेसिकली स्ट्रेटेजी वाज डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान आर्मीज मोरल, डिस्ट्रक्शन एंड डेमोलिशन इन डेप्थ एरिया एंड डाइवर्जन ऑफ हिज रिसोर्सेज इनटू द डाइवर्जन एरिया, सो दैट द टास्क ऑफ आवर फॉर्मेशंस और द आर्मी व्हिच इज अटैकिंग द एफडीएल्स एंड रेसिंग टुवर्ड ढाका बिकम्स ईजियर.
For him, his duty, discipline, his job to the nation, it always came first.
I have been very fond of writing letters. So every 2-3 days I used to dispatch letters and used to get letters little late. I'm very thankful at no time she displayed any sense of fear or apprehension. On those moments of emotional peril, she was source of strength to me.
The feeling that in his mind also must be going on, I think more than me, because he was a soldier and he was older than me and he knew what the war means. So in one of the letters he had written that in case something happens to me, this is what you should do. I'll always remember that.
हम सामने देखे दुश्मन की लड़ाई के लिए ट्रेन किए जाते हैं और ये जो हमें काम मिला ये हमारे ऑपरेशन से बिल्कुल ही डिफरेंट थी. और इन जवान लड़कों को डिसिप्लिन में लाना इतना आसान नहीं था और उनको हम ज़्यादा सख्ती से पेश नहीं जा सकते थे क्योंकि हमने उनसे काम करवाना था. ये हमारे सैनिक तो थे नहीं. तीसरा, ये बड़े भावुक थे. जगह जगह पर ट्रेनिंग के दौरान ही बस उनके जज्बात जो है उभर जाते थे और जय बंगला शुरू हो जाते थे, हम मार देंगे काट देंगे टाइप. उनके डिसिप्लिन को, उनके कंट्रोल, उनके इमोशंस को कंट्रोल करने की बहुत प्रॉब्लम थी. हमें थोड़ा इसका तजर्बा हुआ. धीरे धीरे हमारी सक्सेस रेट बढ़ती चली गई और आखिर तक हमने इनको अपने पूरे ढांचे में काबू कर लिया और काफ़ी सफल ऑपरेशंस कराए. पाकिस्तानी आर्मी का मोरल डाउन करने के लिए, उनके रिसोर्सेज को डाइवर्ट करने के लिए हम काफ़ी कामयाब रहे.
Then, everything turned out like the war was a short-lived war of 13 days. And then, of course, India won. It was a grand victory and the complete euphoria in the nation.
71 की लड़ाई में भारतीय सेना ने अपना एक सिक्का जमा दिया और अपना एक ऐसा सबूत पेश किया पूरे देशवासियों को. आप अंदाजा लगाइए कि दूसरे महायुद्ध के बाद ये पहला अवसर था जब इतनी बड़ी दुश्मन की सेना ने एक दूसरी सेना के सामने हथियार डाल दिए.
जय हो